Hey friends, if the number pad is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the first solution is to press the numlock, and this will solve the problem in 90% of the cases. So I'll show you what the numlock is. I'll search for it on Google and I'll show you the images because it is different on different computers. In full keyboards, it is somewhere here. In half keyboards, it's on the top of the number pad, but this is what the numlock looks like. Press it once and this will activate the number keypad. The second solution is to disable the mouse keys. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on mouse and make sure that the mouse keys are disabled. The last solution is to update the mouse drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. Expand the list of mice and other pointing devices. Right click on the first mouse, update driver and search automatically for drivers. Second one, right click update driver, search automatically for drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then let us know in the comment section of this video, and if not, again let us know in the comment section of this video. We will investigate further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.